Hi guys, welcome back to Fabulous Food. Today we are making flan. We're adding sugar here. 1 cup of sugar and we let it melt. See the sugar start to melt. We will not stir it. Look guys, melting now, look at that. Look at that guys, melting it. We're on the pan, swirl it a little, it's melting. Sugar's all melted, look at that. Now we'll pour it to the pan. At the bottom, look at that. The genius of wood here. Look at that. Nice coating at the bottom of the pan. So when the custard finished bake and you flip it over, it'll have that nice golden color at the top. For the flan pudding, we have 10 eggs here. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, whisk it up, mix it all up. Whisking it up properly. Look at that. Looking good. Just like a beater will do the job, guys. Look at that. Whisk it up properly. Adding 1 can of condensed milk. Adding 1 can of carnation, adding 3 cups of 2% milk, so in total we have 3 cups of 2% milk and 1 carnation. Mixing guys, look how it's mixing here, look at that. Draining it guys, so it'll come out nice and smooth. Look at that, looking good, looking good. We line the pan here with some parchment paper. We add the flan in there and we put some hot water inside. We'll add in the hot water guys. Cover it with a foil paper, wrap it up properly. Now we'll let it bake for an hour in the air fryer. When it's done, we'll put it in the fridge for 4 hours. Well, we're gonna check it now. It's been an hour. Now we'll see what it looks like. Look at it now, guys. Look how it turns out. Good. Now we'll put it in the fridge for 4 hours. Then you'll see what it looks like. Fridge after 4 hours. Now we'll flip it over. Oh, really good. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.